So here the integral dx by a plus b cos x whole square, and the dx by a plus b sin x whole square, and the integral dx by sin x plus a secant x whole square. Then the integral a plus b sin x upon b plus a sin x whole square dx, and at the same time the integral dx upon 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. Now this is in the form of this one. So here this one and this one and this one, so these are the special type, that means exclusively for these are the advanced model. Therefore we know that previously in the 10 types of, we know that how to evaluate the dx a plus b cos x, or dx by a plus b sin x, or the dx of the integral dx upon a plus b sin x, and another one is the integral dx upon a cos x plus b sin x, and the integral the dx upon a cos x plus b sin x plus c. How to evaluate of these type? This is the 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case we know that here we are taking the tan x by 2 equal to t. Is it clear? The tan x by 2 we are taking the t, and the dx is the dx can be written as 2t upon 1 plus t square dt. Is it clear? The dx equal to 2t upon 1 plus t square into dt. Therefore the cos x be taken. The cos x is the 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. That is the 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Sin x is the 2t by 1 plus t square. To evaluate of this one or this one or this one or this one, we are taking the tan x by 2 is the t, and dx is the 2t by 1 plus t square into dt. The cos x is the 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Sin x is the 2t by 1 plus t square. Now the evaluate of this one, this type or this type or this one or this one. So how to evaluate this one? Suppose if you are taking the model, suppose if you are taking the example for the model 1, here the dx upon a plus b cos x whole square. This is the dx of dx by 5 plus 4 cos x whole square, where a and b are the 5 and 4. How to evaluate this one? Now here so here first of all we are taking its solution is, first we are taking the here a equals to, that is a equals to sin x, the a equal to sin x upon 5 plus 4 cos x. Is it clear? This is the a equal to sin x upon 5 plus 4 cos x. This will be we are taking a equal to sin x upon 5 plus 4 cos x. Now differentiating with respect to x, the dA by dx, the differentiating with respect to x is dA by dx equal to, now here the differentiating with respect to x is the, this is compared with u by v. We know that the method of u by v whole dash equal to vu dash minus uv dash upon v square. vu dash minus uv dash by v square is the form. Therefore now this is 5 plus 4 cos x, 5 plus 4 cos x. The derivative of the sin x is the cos x. The derivative of the sin x is the cos x. Is it clear? The derivative of sin x is the cos x minus of u into the sin x into the derivative of the 5 is the 0. The derivative of 4 cos x is the minus of 4 of sin x, minus of 4 sin x upon what is the given, what is the denominator is 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. Now this can be written as the dA by dx. What is the remaining here? The dA by dx. Therefore the dA by dx is the here. We can write this one 5 cos x. This is the 5 cos x. Therefore now this is the 4 cos square x. This is the 4 cos square x minus into minus plus 4 into sin square x. 4 into sin square x upon 5 plus 4 cos x. 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. Now this is we taken the common factor here for cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. The cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. Therefore the remaining is here the 5 cos x. Here the 5 cos x. Now we are taking the common factor 4. Then the remaining is sin square x plus cos square x is the 1. Therefore this is the 4 upon 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. This is the dA by dx. Now we have to find this one. The given integral we are taking some I. The given integral we are taking some I. Therefore how to evaluate this one? Therefore now the dA by dx, the dA by dx equal to, we are getting 5 cos x. Therefore is there, all of you listen here. Now here there 4 cos x is there. What is the remaining here? Now we can write 4 cos x. First you can write 4 cos x. Okay, that is the 4 cos x is there. How to write this one? Here you can write 5 by 4. Is it clear? Here when we are taking the 5 by 4 into 4 by 4. When we are taking into 4 by 4, this is the 4 cos x. Here is the 4 cos x. Then you can 4 or 4 cancel. We are getting the 5 cos x. Then you can write here taking the plus 5. This is the plus 5. So here first you can multiple here 4 are cancel. Here 5 cos x. After that this is the 25 by 4. We can write minus 25 by 4. This is the 25 by 4. We are taking minus 25 by 4. We are getting here the plus 4. Is it clear how to write this one? You can write 4 cos x plus 5. 4 cos x plus 5. That means here into 4 by 4. These are cancelled. 5 into cos x, 5 cos x. Then you can write plus 4 is there. Therefore here this is the 25 by 4. We are taking minus 25 by 4 upon 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. The next step is here. After separation this will be cancelled. We are getting here the 5 by 4 1 upon the 5 by 4 into 1 time cancel here. That is the 5 plus 4 cos x. Is it clear? What is the remaining here? 1 time cancel. But this is the 4 into 4 16 minus 25 plus 16. Minus 25 plus 16 is the minus 9. Minus of 9 by 4. The minus of 9 by 4. Now this is the minus of 9 by 4. 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. Is it clear? Therefore 5 by 4. Now after separation 1 time cancel. This is the 16 minus 25. The 16 minus 25 is the minus 9. Minus 9 by 4 of 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. This is the value of dA by dx. dA by dx. Now applying on both sides integrals, then it will be applying on both sides integrals. How to get this one? This is the integral, applying on both sides integral dA by dx with respect to x. Therefore the next one is 5 by 4 integral 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x into dx. Now this is the minus of 9 by 4 integral 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. Therefore the next step is how to write this one. Here the dx are cancelled. Now the derivative, this is cancelled. We are getting the remaining is a. Therefore here the 5 by 4 integral 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x into dx. Now the last one is minus of 9 by 4. The minus of 9 by 4 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. This is the minus of 9 by 4 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. Therefore this is the dx by 5 plus 4 cos x. 5 plus 4 cos x whole square is the I. This is the I. Now therefore now this can be written as 9 by 4I equals to the minus 9 by 4I is sending to the other side plus. Now this is the 5 by 4 integral 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x 1 upon 5 plus 4 cos x dx. The plus a is sending other side minus a. How to find this one? This is the trigonometric. We know that the types of the rational trigonometric functions. Just now we discussed how to evaluate this one. First you can write the 9 by 4I equal to 5 by 4 integral 1 upon the 5 plus 4 into 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square. Instead of dx is the 2 dt by 1 plus t square minus a, where t is the tan x by 2. Everybody know that where t is the tan of x by 2. Is it clear? Therefore what is the cos x is the form 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Therefore now this is the tan x by 2 is, we are taking the t. Therefore 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. After that you can write 9 by 4I equal to 5 by 4 the integral 1 upon 5 1 ja 5. Here 5 1 ja 5. 5 plus 4 is the 9. Now here this is the 5t square. This is the 5t square minus 4t square is the t square dt. Okay, this is the 2 dt. Here the LCM, these are cancelled. Now we are getting here 5 by 2. That means 2 1 ja 2 2 ja. Therefore then you can write this, the remaining is the minus of a. After that the 9 can be written as 3 square. The 9 can be written as the 3 square. Therefore now this is the, what is the form? 1 upon x square plus a square. 1 upon x square plus a square is the 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. 1 by a into now this is the 9 by 4I. 1 by a, that is the 5 by 2. 5 by 2 and 1 by a is the 1 by 3. Tan inverse of x by a is the t by 3. Tan inverse of t by 3 minus a. A is the here minus of sin x upon 5 plus 4 cos x. This is the answer. Now here this is the 9 by 4 is sending to the other side. Therefore here the 9 by 4I equal to 5 by 2 into 1 by 3 tan inverse of t by 3 minus of sin x upon 5 plus 4 cos x. This 9 by 4 is sending to the other side. Then it will be, just wait 1 minute, then it will be I equal to, now this is multiple with 9 by 4, this is 4, therefore 2 1s are 2 2s are 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10, this is the 9 into 3 is the 27, is it clear? 4 into 5, 4 into 5 20, 20 by 2 is the 10, 9 3 is the 27, tan inverse of where t is, we know that tan x by 2, where t is the tan of x by 2, where t is the tan x by 2 upon 3. This is the 9 by 4 is sending to the other side, minus of 4 into sin x upon 9. Is it clear? The 9 by 4 is sending to the other side, 4 by 9. The 4 by 9 into 5 plus 4 cos x. 5 plus 4 cos x. This is the formula of I. 10 by 27. The tan inverse of tan x by 2 upon 3 minus of 4 sin x upon 9 into 5 plus 4 of cos x. Is it okay? This is the answer. So here the integral of dx. How to evaluate this one? Last one is the sin x is there. Here a equal to, we take, last one is there, 16 sum. What is the last question is? The last question is the dx by 5 plus 4 cos x whole square. Here this is the 16 plus 9 sin x is there. Sorry. Here the 16 plus 9 sin x is there. In the last question cos x is there. Now it is, let a can be taken as the cos x upon 16 plus 9 sin x. Okay, now this is the a equal to cos x upon 16 plus 9 sin x. Then after the differentiation we have to get again same the last method. So how to evaluate this one? So how to write this one? First of all we are taking the a. Now after that the differentiation, the dA by dx, this is compared with u by v. U by v is the vu dash minus uv dash by v square. How to evaluate this type? Now this is the, you can write 1 by cos x. Therefore this is the secant x is the 1 by cos x. We are taking the LCM, then it is sending to the numerator. Then it will be LCM is the cos x. Therefore is there square cos square x dx upon cos square x dx upon, you can write here, this is the sin x cos x plus a whole square. Therefore first you can write 1 by cos x. LCM is the sin x cos x plus a whole square. The LCM is sending to the other side, cos square x. We know that cos square x is the form 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Is it clear? The 1 plus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x is the cos 2x is the form 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x is the 2 cos square x minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel, 2 cancel, we are getting cos square x. Therefore cos square x is the 1 plus cos 2x by 2 into dx upon, this can be written as, how to write this one? This is into 2 by 2. We can write by 2. Now this is the 2 sin x cos x, okay, plus a whole square. Then it is the form sin 2x. Then it is the form sin 2x. Therefore this is the sin 2x. Here the LCM is the 2a. Therefore now this is the LCM, we are taking the 2 square is the 4. This is the 4 into, okay, now 4 into, therefore 2 ja, here the LCM is 2, here 4, 2 1 ja, 2 ja, therefore 2 into 1 plus cos 2x, 2 into 1 plus cos 2x, therefore into dx, this is the sin of 2x plus 2 into a is the 2a whole square. Is it clear? Therefore, how to write this one? Here, all of you listen carefully here. How to write this one is, first you can write this is 2 into 1, 2. Therefore, integral, this is the 2 into 1 upon sine of 2x. This is the 2a plus sine 2x whole square. The next one is the, here this is the 2 into cos of 2x upon sine of 2x plus 2a whole square. This is compared with the last question. How to write this one? A, we are taking cos of 2x plus 2a plus sine 2x. Is it clear? After the differentiation, we have to compare with the above question. After differentiation, we have to get the solution. How to write this one is, the derivative of sine 2x is the cos 2x. The derivative of the sine 2x is the cos 2x. The derivative of 2x is the 2. The derivative of 2 is 0. When we are taking this one is the t. When we are taking the sine 2x plus 2a equal to t, the derivative of sine 2x is the cos of 2x into 2 dx equal to dt. Therefore, dt by t square. The formula of 1 by t square, the integral of 1 by t square is the minus of 1 by t. This is the minus of 1 by t. Therefore, 2 upon 1 2a plus sine 2x whole square dx. This is the minus 1 by t. T is the, what is the t? Sine of 2x plus 2a. This is the t. Integral of dt by t square is the minus of 1 by t. Therefore, now here, how to write this one? First of all, we are taking the a equals to cos of 2x upon 2a plus sine of 2x. After differentiation, we are get this solution like this, the above question. Therefore, already we know that this is the 1 by t square is the minus 1 by t. Integral constant is the plus c. This is the another model. Complete this part. Okay. Already we have to complete this type of sum in the very beginning. Okay. Now here, the integral 5x power 4 plus 4x power 5 upon x power 5 plus x plus 1 whole square. How to evaluate this one? Now integral the 5x power 4x power 5 upon x power 5 is the common. Now we are getting here 1. This is the 1 by x power 4. Yes or no? When you have to multiply with this one, therefore for 4 times cancel, we are getting x. This is the 1 by x power 5 whole square is there. Therefore, whole square is there. Okay, after that this is the integral. This is the x power 10. 5x power 4 by x power 10. 4x power 5 by x power 10 upon what is the remaining? 1 plus x power 4 plus 1 by x power 5 whole square. Is it clear? Now the another one is, how to write this one? The another one is here. Therefore, the another one is, you can write this is the integral. The integral, here the integral 4 times cancel. This is the 5 by x power 6. 5 by x power 6. This is the 4 by x power 5. 4 by x power 5 dx upon 1 plus 1 upon x power 4 1 by x power 5 whole square. Now we are taking, this will be the t. Therefore, how to write this one? Let 1 plus 1 upon x power 4 plus 1 upon x power 5 be taken t. Therefore, here the derivative of 1 is the 0. The derivative of 1 is 0. Therefore, the derivative of this one is minus 4 by x power 5. Now, the derivative of this one is minus 5 by x power 6 into dx equal to dt. Therefore, now here is there 5 by x power 6, 4 by x power 4. Now, this is a multiple with minus 4 upon x power 5, 5 upon x power 6, 5 by x power 6, 4 by x power 5, dx equal to minus of dt. Now, the given integral completely we can write the integral minus of dt. This is we taken t. Therefore, that is the t square. Minus of dt by t square. We know that the integral of 1 by t square is the minus of 1 by t. The integral 1 by t square. Is the minus 1 by t. By taking integral of x power n is the x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Similarly, t power minus 2. That means t power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. Therefore, integral of dt by t square is the minus 1 by t. Minus of minus plus 1 by t plus c. 1 upon, what is the t here? The t is the 1 plus 1 by x power 4. 1 by x power 5. Finally, you can take the LCM is x power 5. The LCM is sending to the other side. The LCM is sending to the numerator. X power 5. This is the x power 5. 4 times cancel x plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. What is the LCM? X power 5. Now this is sending to the numerator, that is x power 5. X power 5 into 1, x power 5. 4 times cancel x. This is the 1. This is the solution. Is it clear how to write this one? First we take the x power 5 is the common. After that this can be written as x power 4 by x power 5. X power 5 by, whole square is this. This is the x power 10. X power 4 by x power 10. X power 5 by x power 10. Then you can after we are taking the t, then complete one is the minus of dt by t square. 1 by t square is the minus 1 by t. T we are taking this one. After simplification, we get x power 5 by x power 5 plus x plus 1 plus c. Is it okay? This is today. All of you practice these models 1 or 2 times. These are very important models for advance. Okay, thank you all.